Boost email marketing deliverability with an SPF record. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you the basics on how to set up an SPF record and why every single email marketer needs it so that their emails can start landing in the inbox folder. So what is an SPF record and why in the hell do I need it? SPF stands for Sender Policy Framework. In a nutshell, every email marketer needs it attached to their domain because it tells the internet and Google that you actually own this domain and you can send emails on behalf of it. Now you're probably asking me, Joe, what are the repercussions if I don't have an SPF? Well, if there's a hacker or spammer that happens to use your domain as their own email, like hello@mydomain.com, and this spammer actually has a very bad reputation on the internet, they're blacklisted, then that's going to jeopardize your domain. This simply means that your domain will also carry on a bad reputation just like that spammer because that spammer is actually abusing your email domain. So in order for us to circumvent this happening, we need to add a SPF record inside of your DNS. Your DNS can be with GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap. Those are just a few examples. Doing so authenticates your email domain so that we can send emails with a peace of mind knowing that they're going to actually get delivered. Now, I just want to bring this to your attention. There are other variables when it comes to improving your sender score and inboxing. I'm not going to get into it in this video just because I don't want to lose you. I want to keep this as simple as possible. But if you guys are interested, please drop down a comment right below this video and I will go ahead and launch other tutorials, everything that you need to know so that your emails will always land in the inbox, not the spam or the promotions tab in Gmail. So you're probably wondering, Joe, how do I get actually access to this SPF? How do I create it? It's actually quite simple to do. The very first step before you can actually send bulk emails to your subscribers is that you need to have an ESP. What that basically stands for, Email Service Provider. Some of the well-known ones are Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp. My personal favorite is ConvertKit, just because they have a very high deliverability score. They've been in business for a very long time. They have solid reviews. And if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and drop the link in the description box right below this video. Now, assuming you took care of step number one, step number two is these ESPs will usually publish in their blog or in their support forum their SPF. They will give you instructions on how to obtain it. And all you really need to do is just copy that and put it into your DNS manager, whether it's through GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap, or some other company. So just to give you a small taste of what this actually looks like, let's hop on over to my desktop and I'll show you an example of what an SPF looks like. So I'm actually logged into Cloudflare because this is my DNS manager for this domain, digitaljoegeorge.com. And here is one example of what an SPF record actually looks like. This is one that's coming from ConvertKit. And here are two other examples of how an SPF record typically looks like. So you'll see that whenever you're using multiple ESPs or SMTPs, it's going to be connotated with the word include or the SMTP IP address. So in this case, I'm actually also using Akumba Mail as my ESP for sending bulk emails to my subscribers. And this IP address is coming from my Namecheap account because I'm also using Namecheap SMTP to reply one-on-one to my subscribers in case if they have an inquiry. Now the fun doesn't stop here. There are actually two more other DNS records you need to input to validate your email domain. Now you definitely don't want to miss out on these tutorials because if you do, then you're not going to have a complete DNS record setup for your email domain, which means that emails could still land in spam. All you need to do to get access to these videos is just watch this video until the very end. All right, my fellow beloved friends and family, thank you so much for watching this video. If you happen to like it, hit that like button. That's going to support me every step of the way. And please make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so that you guys don't miss out on any important updates on my channel. And for those who are new and looking to start and grow an online business the right way with all the tools, the technology, the resources, the hands-on training, then make sure you go here or click the link in the description box right below this video to get access to more than 25 digital tools to run your businesses efficiently. These tools will get updated every single week so that you don't miss out on the latest and greatest tech gadgets. And for those who know me by now, I like to end all my videos with an inspiring quote. So the quote for today is, "The best way to succeed in this world is to act on the advice you give to others."